most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Shld, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Because we're the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today, we're going to go over the best at home 50 and over 5 minutes seated arm, shoulder, and breathing exercise routine.
Absolutely.
By the way, my dad used to wear a hat like that.
Well, I'm sure.
I think they need to come back.
Well, they will, Bob.
I-
This is a start.
All right. By the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, go to bobandbrad.com. You got plenty of time and check out what we're giving away. Go to the giveaway section, and you can sign up for that. You can also find it on Facebook, the contest. It'll be pinned to the top of the page. We also have a lot of neat content on Facebook.
Absolutely, Bob.
And go to Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok if you want 60 seconds of Bob and Brad a day. We're in our bunker in an undisclosed location, and Brad's going to go ahead and do the exercise program because there's not really enough room for both of us. Brad, take it away.
Okay, it's my turn. Okay, here we go. Now, first thing we want to do is think about when we're inside, there's no place to go. We feel kind of sheltered up. You need some motion. You need to breathe, get those lungs working, and just loosen up and relax. So that's what we're going to do here. First thing, in your chair, deep breath in your nose, fill up those lungs, bring the shoulders back, and exhale. So we're really working the lungs, working the rib cage.
This is probably one of the easiest things you can do for stress is just deep breathing. One of the first things you'll find with people when they're getting stressed out, their breathing becomes shallow. So you want to, throughout the day, take some deep breaths, but it's greatly to do right before exercise.
Right. So, Bob, we're going to concentrate on our Braditude. It went
That's
over
right.
pretty good last time. You got to have an attitude. We got the Braditude here.
The positive attitude,
Yeah,
the gratitude.
We're going to start with this. Pull the hands back, thumbs to your shoulders, push out, open and close those fingers, roll the wrists, come back. Breathe in when you come back, exhale when you go forward.
Boy, that's
So,
pretty fancy, Brad.
all motions should be coordinated with your breathing, and you'll get a hang of it as you work with it if you haven't already. Arm crosses, we're going to go back like this. Breathe in and exhale. Give yourself a hug.
Posture. Look at his posture. He's really keeping good posture, and it's also building good posture by taking the arms back and squeezing the shoulder blades together while you're doing it.
This is one of my favorite ones. Arms out like this, and pretend there's chalk on the end of your fingers and you're making little circles on chalkboards. Just little tiny circles forward. And they're going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And about until you feel comfortable. Go back to the center. We'll go the other direction. Little baby circles. Bigger. Keep on breathing. Inhale. Exhale. And Bob's all-time favorite. Arms up in the air as tolerated. Lean back and hallelujah.
You gotta say it, hallelujah.
That's right. Everything is going to be all right. Life.
Hallelujah, brother.
Yes.
Brothers and sisters.
That's enough, Bob.
All right. I was just getting
All
warmed
right.
up.
Now, before we get on with the core of the routine, that was a warm-up. There's a few things that you can use. You don't have to. You can do them without it. No special equipment, but if you can go to your cupboard and get yourself a couple soup cans, I've got some 12-ounce ones here. You can get 8-ounce. You can get the 16-ounce, whatever works. That's going to be weight if you need some weight. Okay? The next thing you're going to want is either a cane or a yardstick, and you'll see what those are for. If you don't have these, you can do the whole routine without them. It's just something a little extra. Okay, here we go. Neck rotation. We're going to look to the right. And look to the left. Good posture.
Yeah.
Up, nice and tall.
This is great for flexibility and for strength too. You're gonna, as he goes through the program here.
Breathing all the while you're working on this. Do not hold your breath for even a second. Okay, number 2, shoulder circles. It's kind of like you say, I don't know what I'm doing, but you do. We're going circles, up and back. You can see it, that white thing on my shoulder. See those circles? Breathe. This is a real good one for posture. Get those shoulders, the lungs working. Go the other direction. I'm going to have my mom watch this.
Yeah, I was going to say. Maybe she is.
No, she won't go to a computer. but we'll work with her. Okay, and the next one is the W's here. Now, I am from Wisconsin, but I think Wisconsin, you can just think of win. W for win. We are going to win. Breathe in and exhale.
Yeah, how would you make an L?
L. Bob.
No, go
why,
ahead.
Bob?
Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going. Okay, now we're going to relax a little bit. Shake things off. Take
There
a
we go.
breath. Oh, I should have my water here.
Looking
It's
good.
always nice to have a little water handy because hydration is so critical.
Absolutely.
You can hardly drink enough water. You got to drink.
Adequate water, adequate sleep, all those things, decrease stress levels, all important.
You bet. Okay. Again, take your soup cans. If you have weights, that's fine, little dumbbells, or you can do it without. We're just going to work curls like this. But look at my posture. I'm up and tall. I'm not slouched over all being bummed out. I'm feeling good about things. And curls, breathe in and out. And we're going to do 10. Sometimes I lose count when I'm talking here, so forgive me. But that's all right. Life goes on, and what's a few extra? I usually do more than less. Because I already lost count already, but I think we're at 7.
I think yeah, I lost count too. Sorry.
All right, after this, we're going to go shoulder abduction. In other words, out like we're going to fly. You go as high as you can. If you can go up here with no pain, that's fine. But it's nice if you can get out to 90 degrees. And again,
Working those deltoids.
yep. Again, I'm not slouched forward. I'm back
Yeah,
and
posture,
working that
posture,
good
posture.
Yeah, if I mention that too much, that's
Marsha,
okay.
Marsha.
Bob.
For our generation.
Oh, sure. And the next one's straight in front of you, up like this again, as far as you feel. If you want to do right and left, sometimes that's more natural for some people. It's like
Sure.
walking or running
Or skiing.
or skiing, cross-country skiing.
Cross-country skiing. There
You
you
know,
go.
up in Minnesota and Wisconsin, we just got out of that season.
I hope it's gone too, to be honest with you.
Yes.
Seeing grass.
The
So.
robins are back.
Yeah.
I'm just about done with this. We're going to take a little break again and breathe again. Relax, relax. Check the shoulders. Relax. Shake it out a little bit. Now we're going to go to, I'm going to use the yardstick as opposed to the cane. You can use either one or do without.
Brad and I think this yardstick may be from the 60s.
Yeah, it's old. It's heavy duty. It says Craftsman Tools, made in USA, guaranteed high quality. I know it's at least 50 years old.
I wouldn't want to get spanked with that one, and I did as a kid.
It's never hit a butt in its life. Okay. All right, here we go. Out like this, and we're going to keep, this is nice with a stick or a cane.
Yeah,
because
it helps the rotations.
Yeah. You can do it without, and if you do it without, you can put your hands together, and that's fine too. It's a little easier.
Really crucial that above all, you have really good posture with it. So I do not
Yes.
want you bent and turning like
Right?
this.
If you're slouched forward, things lock up. That's when things don't work so well. Back and forth. Keep breathing.
How we doing for time, Brad?
Oh, Bob, we're doing great.
All right. good.
I forgot to push the button.
Oh, you
again.
did?
No, I didn't. It's about 8 minutes. So
Okay.
we're going a little slower, but that's okay. Now this one, we're just going to cross like this and cross like this. Right hand to the top. This is a nice stretch on the rib cage.
A little
and
bit
on
of the lats. You're stretching the latissimus.
Absolutely, you've got
Kind
it.
of looks like a canoe move, like a canoe.
Yeah,
you're
you could
paddling
think
on
that.
one
That's
side.
actually a pretty good idea, Bob.
Yeah.
I should have thought of that. And we're going to finish up here with more alleluias
Yeah.
with the stick or the cane. Locks everything in. If you have one weak arm, it helps the strong, or the strong arm helps the weak arm.
Or even if one is tighter, one side.
Yeah.
Which is the case with me. One of my arms does not go up as high.
Yep,
The
exactly.
other one helps push it along.
The good one helps the weak one.
Right.
And such is life. Okay, here we go. Take a nice deep breath, relax. And you should at least do this twice a day. If you're able to get up and walk around, even go outside for a walk if you can safely do that. That's a wonderful idea.
Have your spouse do it. It'll probably have her stop her from killing you.
Bob,
It might.
why, Bob?
It might.
Yeah, well, what's your life at home?
Yeah, it's going rough. All right. Talk to you guys later. Be safe.
Take care.